Hello everyone. So what beginner-friendly website builder can I use? Okay, so I recommend Wix.com. Okay, so let's look into it. So using your Google Chrome app, you just gotta type in Wix.com. So it's Wix.com, Wix.com. So if you don't have an account here, so you will be asked to create one, so you will be able to um, start or begin creating your first website. Okay, so to begin, just click get start button here at the top right corner of the screen or of the page, and it will bring you to this page where you can choose an account for you uh, to create. Okay, so you can use your Google account or your Facebook account. So in my case, I have chosen uh, my Gmail account. Okay, so I'm just going to log in. So there's my Gmail account. Okay, okay, guys. So this website builder is free. Okay, so they offer templates too. So they have over 500 templates to choose from. Okay, but even if this is free, you can upgrade this to a premium plan. Okay, so they offer different plans. Let's know them. So you just click upgrade now, and it will bring you to the page where you can choose the plans that you think is suitable or or okay that is suitable for your website. Okay, so like that. To begin, just click create new site. Click that, and there are a lot of questions or a bunch of questions that you'll be answering. Okay, so for example, the first one is okay. Please wait until it responds. Okay, so what kind of website are you creating? So you can choose right here, or you can also skip this question. Okay, so let's try choosing um, portfolio. Hit next. General portfolio. Okay, so this website builder boasts their drag and drop interface. So I believe uh, beginners can easily use this platform. Okay, so what would you like to call your website? So this basically the website name. Okay, so just let's try to skip this part. Okay, let's just wait for it to respond. Okay, so here are some um, elements that you can add to your website. For example, online store, forms, Instagram feed, bookings, events, blog, portfolio. Okay, so you just gotta check the box right here. Just click next. Okay, so you can begin creating your website using a template. Okay, as I said earlier, they they have over 500 plus templates to choose from. Okay, or you can also use a custom built site. Let's try to begin with a template. Okay, and it will bring you to the page where you can choose a template. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of templates here to choose from. So let's try clicking this one. You can view it or directly edit it. Okay, so it will take you some time to wait. Okay, well, I have heard that one of the downsides of this website is its responsiveness. Well, let's see. Okay, so here is the Wix editor. Okay, so from here you can begin editing or creating your website. Okay, so what do you think of this? So you can comment down below and tell me what you think of this website builder. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.